Chris Versace, fundamental analyst with Trifecta stocks at TheStreet, joins me with a look at some recent changes to the portfolio. Good to see you, first of all.
Good to see you, Rhonda, as always.
So you added Qorvo.
Yes, we did, and you're probably going to ask me why, and the answer why we add any stock is because it meets our trifold criteria for Trifecta, a quantitative screening, a technical screening, and of course, fundamentals. And on the fundamental side, we like it because of the growing RF semiconductor content, not just in smartphones, as we see more high-speed networks being launched, LTE, 4G around the globe, but because wireless is really moving past smartphones to all these other markets. We keep hearing about the connected car, the connected home, e-health, wearables, and they all have to be connected, which means RF semiconductors. So we really like Qorvo a lot.
Just briefly, what about some of the other elements that you're looking at with that stock, technicals and others?
Well, you know, of course we have to hit that quant screen, and that's the first thing that we need to see. We need a B- rating or better. And then Bob Lang, as you know, takes a look at the charts, and of course we need to see, pronounced upside and very little downside, and then we have that fundamental screen. So we need to have everything meshed together.
All right, beyond that, you are also now looking at some stocks in the bullpen.
Oh, the bullpen.
And so let's explain that first of all.
Sure. So, in the active portfolio, you have the stocks that you're currently owning, right? But just like any professional sports team, you got players on the bench that you got to pull in if one of your key players, is suddenly not performing or the thesis changes to stick with the stock perspective. So these are stocks that we like, but we might be waiting either for a quant upgrade, maybe the chart's got to get a little better, or maybe the stock's got to pull back, or earnings need to look a little better. So a number of factors to watch, but they're on the screen.
So one of those stocks on the screen is International Flavors and Fragrances.
One of my favorite stocks, and I say that because it's a killer ingredient company. If you think of, of everything that we have, from flavors and fragrances to, the toothpaste that you have, the shampoo that you use, the cleaners in your house that smell minty, to everything to flavors and beverages and other foods, they all contain that. So it's very much in my wheelhouse of buy the bullets, not the guns.
And that stock's had a pretty good run-up as of late.
It has. And I believe our entry where we want to be hovering and entering in is around 112 or so. So we would look for a pullback to get involved.
All right, Chris Versace, good to see you.
Good to see you.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.